In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut your tiles around your hot and cold feed and waste pipe for your hand basin. So place a tile underneath. On this particular one, I don't have to cut it for the two copper pipes above. It's just the waste pipe. I'll mark it on one side, then slide the tile across and mark it on the other. This will give me a square cut. Because the carcass covers this, we don't have to be too neat. That's one now cut and ready to fix into place. Now for the two copper pipes above. Place a tile with no adhesive directly above the pipes, leaving a gap for your tile spacers. Mark each side of your pipe. Then mark the height of the top tile to where the top of the pipe is. Transfer this to the tile, then start to cut your hole using a diamond tip blade. Once this is achieved, you can cut the rest of the section out using a diamond tip blade on a grinder. Now it's cut, slide it over the pipes, check that it fits. If you're happy with that, you can spread the adhesive on the back of the board and bed your tiles into position, making sure you leave enough gap in between to get your tile spacer in. Once the tiles are dry, you can start to grout in between them. This can be applied in using a rubber grouting float. Place the carcass and the corner sink over your pipes. Fix it into position, check its level, and then seal with silicone sealant. So that's the tiling now cut, fixed and grouted behind the pipework of your sink. The sink's been refitted, plumbed on the inside and silicone sealed around the outside. If you want to see more how-to tiling videos, subscribe to Tile Mountain on YouTube.